Hello everyone, this is Sherwin here from TechOS, and in today's App of the Week video I'm going to be taking a look at Klok. Now this app retails for free on the App Store for iOS, and it is available on the iPhone. I'm not sure about the iPad, but obviously you can go and find that out. Now essentially what this app is more of a notification center widget, so I'm going to show you how to set it up and use it today. So first of all, if you want to launch the app, and you'll be greeted with this interface, and what you can do is set up various different world clocks, and then you can manage them and use them in Notification Center. So just as a demo, I'm going to click in the top right hand corner where it has the little plus icon. I'm just going to tap on that, and I'm just going to type in Paris. I'm going to click add, and I'm just going to add Berlin, just as an example. So now I've got 3 different clocks set up. And you can click the edit button in the top right hand corner of the iPhone screen, and I can just click that and it will let me press the no entry sign to delete any of the clocks if I want to, or I can simply just rearrange them like that. So it's a nice easy way to manage your clocks, and I can just hit done to go back to the normal view. I can order these from west to east, so if I want to order them depending on the order that they come in the world, then that's an option that I can use. Just turn it on there, and I can also choose whether I want an analog clock. So if I slide down, you'll see here I've got an analog clock, or whether I want a digital clock. So if I swipe down, as you can see, it's going to refresh it and add a digital clock. So I'm just going to keep it at the analog clock for now, because I think that's what looks best. And if I click at the bottom, I've got a sort of animation that shows me how to set the widget up, but obviously I'm going to show you how to do that in the video. So the way you're going to want to access this is by swiping down from the top of the screen to open Notification Center. Now you will have to enable the widget by going to the bottom, clicking on add, and then choosing the widget and pressing the plus sign. I've already done that for the purposes of the video, and I've put it up to the top. Obviously you can rearrange them in whichever way you like. So here I'm at the clock widget, and what I can do is view all my different times. Obviously with the clocks here, obviously I can choose my analog clock or digital clock. It gives me labels of which city it is, so it gives me 3-letter abbreviations, and it tells me whether it's afternoon or morning, so AM or PM. Now I can click on a clock, say London, which is where I am, well, around London in the UK. And if I want to know what time it will be in Berlin and Paris when it's 8 o'clock over here, if I just tap on the 8, it will actually show me what it's going to be over there. So this will be handy if you've got relatives in different countries and you want to see what time it is over there to check whether it's appropriate to call them at that time. And you can toggle between AM and PM by clicking this button over here, so you can do that if you want to. Now, you will notice that if I click off that, it will actually have London as white and Paris and Berlin as sort of a dark colour. And the reason that's there is because the app automatically knows that the time in Paris and Berlin is after 7 o'clock, so it automatically sets it as sort of an evening time. So the idea here is that if you see a darker coloured clock, then perhaps it isn't a very appropriate time to call anyone in that country. So that's there, and that's sort of the main sort of purpose of the app. But apart from that, that's really it for the app. It's very minimalistic and simple to use, and it's easy to set up within the app. And obviously you can use that to help get you started if you need help with that. But anyway, that's it for this week's App of the Week. If you have an app that you want to be reviewed, then do put that as a comment down below. You can also get in contact with me using the details that will be up in the description of the video. If you have any questions about anything in this video, do put them down below. Don't forget to like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Please comment, and also do remember to subscribe to get more App of the Weeks as well as quick tips and other videos on iOS and the Mac. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.